everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to follow someone on CoinMarketCap. To follow someone on CoinMarketCap, first of all, launch open the CoinMarketCap application and then make sure to log into your account. Once you're inside the home page, go ahead and click on the community button at the bottom right hand corner. You will then be able to see a list of accounts that you can follow. You can also filter search for the community from the For You page, following list, topics, lives, and articles. After finding someone you can follow, go ahead and tap on the account's name and tap the follow button once you open up the info page. The follow button will be located right next to the three dots on the top right. After tapping the follow button, you will then be able to follow a specific account. Go ahead and find more accounts or people that you can follow and tap on the follow button, and you will be following that specific someone. Once you do this, you'll start receiving updates about their activities such as their portfolio changes, market insights, or any articles that they publish. You can manage the users that you follow by visiting your profile. Tap on your profile avatar at the top right to open up your profile section, and then from the menu appearing on the screen, click on your name at the top, and from your profile page, go to following section on the top left. Here you will be able to see the list of people or accounts that you've followed. So that is how you can easily follow someone to help get their insights and learn from the strategies of experienced traders and cryptocurrency enthusiasts on CoinMarketCap. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.